Okay, so now you have a view of all the different materials that you could possibly need. We've got some hoops in different sizes, and this is kind of if you just want to. I'll show you also how to do Tatreez without a hoop. These are needle threaders, so if you have a hard time putting the thread through the eye of the needle, these are super helpful. Obviously, some needles, pair of scissors that are good for embroidery floss. And then we've got two types of thread over here. We've got the pearl cotton balls, which are really popular amongst Tatreez practitioners, but they're kind of hard to find in the US if you're US based. And then we've got embroidery floss, which is a lot easier to find in the US. So I'll tell you kind of the differences between both, but both do the job. They're both from DMC, which is the name of the brand of thread that is really popular and has really good quality. And then of course we've got Aida fabric. So this course will be showing you how to do Tatreez on Aida fabric. It is the easiest type of material to do cross stitch on because it has kind of pre-set holes for you to thread through. So we'll be doing it on Aida fabric. If you'd like to learn how to do it on a different type of material, for example, putting it on a t-shirt or a pillow, or you want to make a thobe, for example, we'll be doing that in a different course. So for the purposes of this course, these are all the different materials that you could possibly need, and they're all you need to get started with Tatreez. So I'll go into more detail about each of these in the next few videos, but just wanted to give you kind of a full view of all the materials that you could possibly need. All right, let's get started.